సాయిరామ్ ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియం హై స్కూల్ సాధారణ విద్యార్థులచే అసాధారణ ఫలితాలు సాధించిన విద్యా సంస్థ మన శ్రీ సాయిరామ్ విద్యా సంస్థ.
Hi kids, good morning. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing good. Children, in the previous session we had discussed about the changing families, how the families had changed, how the families had shifted, due to what reasons the family structure is changing. Okay, we had discussed these topics. Today in this session we have to continue the same lesson. Shall we start the lesson? Yes, let's start the lesson. The lesson name is Changing Families. Okay, yes. Relationships. The relationships are the main bond of the family, right? Without the relationships, the family is not there. So here we can see what type of relationships. The members of a family may live in different cities or countries due to different reasons. Even though we are having so many family members, but nowadays we are not just living together. All the family members are just scattered out and we are just living in different cities and different countries also. Yes. They all meet each other on certain occasions such as weddings, festivals, etc. So due to the reasons like financial growth or else for our higher studies or for our career growth, we are just moving to different places. So when we all meet together on some special occasions like the weddings or else on the festivals, we all will meet together. There might be some relatives in your family whom you have never met. Then ask your parents or grandparents about such relatives. For example, if you go for your relative wedding, you don't know how they are related to you. So then what we have to do? We just ask your elders, parents or else your grandparents, and you have to know about the relationship between you and that family member. Okay, then you can get an idea how that family member is related to you. Here we see the picture. Which picture it is? It is a picture of wedding. Okay, on the wedding we can meet the several relationships. And here all the families are sitting together and they are doing puja. Maybe it is the occasion of a festival. Okay, so like this on certain occasions we all will meet together. Changes in family structure. How the changes will happen in the family structure? Here we go. In earlier times, women were confined to the house. So in the earlier times, maybe your grandparent days. So if you ask your grandmother or grandfather, who will work in the house? The grandmother will work in the house. That means only the woman has to work in the house. They used to remain busy in doing household chores such as washing, cleaning, cooking, stitching and taking care of the babies and elders. The woman has to do these many works in the earlier days. So washing, cleaning, cooking, taking care of their babies and taking care of the elders who are present in the house. So these all household activities are done by the woman. Okay. They stepped out of the house only for very important tasks. As it is as very important, they have to go, then only they will step out of the house. Until then they will remain in the house itself and they were very busy in doing all these tasks. Okay, see here the mother is cooking. Okay, and next she used to clean the kitchen, the rooms and also the utensils. Okay, in cleaning. And next she used to wash the clothes of all the family members. Yes, and next she has to take care of the children and also the elders. okay, and also the grandparents. These are the tasks that have been done by the women in the earlier days. Now how the world is. In modern times, the women have become smart, educated and professionally qualified. But nowadays, the women are also just grown up and they are becoming smart and they are just coming up with the great qualifications and the professionally demanded, and also they are more educated also nowadays. Parents are also encouraging their daughters to go for higher studies. In the olden days, if the girl had born in the house, they used to take care of her and they won't send her out for the studies. But now the parents are just focusing on the education of the daughters. Okay, they are just sending the daughters even for the higher studies to different countries also. Okay, how the world had changed, see. Today girls are entering all fields which were once considered to be men's jobs only. So nowadays the girls are just entering in all the fields, whether it is education field or else whether it is professional field or else whether it is business field. Thus we are seeing all the women along with the men. But in the olden days, these all fields are confined only to the men's. The men only has to do the jobs in such fields. But today, even the women also entering and they are just working like men. Whether it is armed forces, medicine, engineering, law or entertainment, women are achieving success everywhere. See how these fields, in such fields the woman is just entering and they are just gaining the success. Whether it is armed forces, for example navy or else army, okay, and also the medicine, even the girls, you can see the women doctors, yes. And next engineering, nowadays they are just designing the softwares and also they are just planning how to construct the buildings, okay. And next law or entertainment, the lawyers, okay, and the judges and also the entertainment, even in the movie fields also they are just entertaining us. In all these fields the women are beating the success, okay. Next, here we can see some of the famous women. We all know about her. Who is she? Yes, she is Indira Gandhi, okay, and she is the daughter of Jawaharlal Nehru. And next one, she is Pratibha Patil, the first woman president of India. She worked as first woman president. And next, Kalpana Chawla, the space, okay, she had gone to the space and she just discovered a lot in the space also. So like this we are having so many famous women in all the fields. Reforms in household. Reforms, what are the changes, what are the formations that are just happened in this household? Moving out of the family or house to a new place has many advantages. Just some people will feel just by moving out of their house, but we can gain so many advantages if you once come out of your house. People learn to adjust to new surroundings and environment. They make new friends and colleagues. If they are confined to same house or same family, they won't know what is going on around them and what is just happening in the environment, in the surroundings, in the world. So if they come out of that house, they can know many things that are going to happen in the world. And also they can make new friends, okay, and also new colleagues where they are working. They learn new languages, new culture and adapt to new conditions of living. It brings a change in their lifestyle too. So when you are just moving out of the country, then you have to learn. Then you can learn new languages, even their culture also you can learn. So like this, our lifestyle also totally changed if you come out of the house. Okay. Girls get married and move to the house of their in-laws in a new place. Young boys and girls go to other cities and foreign countries for higher education. The girls after certain age, they will get married and they will go to their in-laws house. That is a new place for them and they have to adjust to their environment. They have to learn the new culture and traditions there what they are just following. And also the young boys and girls for their higher studies, they are just moving out of the country and they are moving to foreign countries. There also they can learn so many languages, so many cultures and traditions and the values. Okay, like this we can learn so many things. See here, this is a picture of an office and here we can make so many colleagues and we can learn so many new things from them too. In this way, the household gets reformed. Like this, the total household activities are also reformed. That means just we are forming again, not only by learning the things from your family and also the new things from the outside environment. It takes a lot of courage and patience to leave one's family and start a new life. Yes, we have to accept it. Once we have to come out, it feels somewhat bad. We have to feel we had just come out. We just lived there with your family members. But due to the certain problems, we are just coming out of your family. But we have to take up the new life and we have to take up a challenge to achieve the success. And next, our family occupies a very important role in our life. Our family is a first school. From the starting day onwards, we are just leading our life along with your family members. It plays a key role in the society. And we must love all family members and fulfill our duties towards everyone. We should love all your family members. We should not hate anyone. And also, we should learn the values of your family members. And what they are saying, you should fulfill our duties towards them. For example, your grandparents are there, okay, and your parents are there. So your parents, what they will do? They have to fulfill their duties. They have to take care of their parents and they have to mold the character of their children. So such duties also we have to take up and we should fulfill them. So this is the family picture. Here we have a beautiful family. Like this, we should love your family members and we should fulfill the duties of them. This is our lesson, Changing Families. Children, we the Smart Kids are providing you the learning app, mobile app. In that app, we are providing the animated videos. So children, in the next session, we will meet with another new topic. Until then, keep on practicing and do good.